Now repeat after me. Bouquet, bouquet, bouquet. Meaning, a bouquet is an arrangement of flowers that is often given as a gift or used for decoration. The term can also refer to the pleasant scent of flowers or even the aroma of wine. In a sentence, she received a beautiful bouquet of roses for her birthday. Here, bouquet refers to a flower arrangement given as a gift. Let's try another example. The bouquet of wildflowers added a vibrant touch to the table. Now it's your turn. If you understand the word, comment below with your own sentence using bouquet. Synonyms. Some related terms for bouquet are bunch, a collection of flowers or similar items. Arrangement, a decorative display of flowers. Antonyms. The opposite of bouquet would be single stem, referring to one flower rather than a collection. Unorganized, not arranged or grouped together. Part of speech is a noun, referring to a collection of flowers or the pleasant smell associated with them. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to English Dictionary Infinity. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for more words and pronunciation tips. See you next time.